Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to disconnect your earbuds edifier Neo Dots from your iPhone. You have to start by open Settings and then go to the Bluetooth. At the device list, click the information icon near to your earbuds. And at the third line we have a button what's called Disconnect. You need to tap at this button, but before I tap on it, I will tell you the difference between Disconnect and Unpair. So, when you select to disconnect your earbuds and you tap at the Disconnect button, you will stop Bluetooth connection with your earbuds, but leave them at the device list. And if you select Forget the device and tap at this button, you will totally remove your earbuds from your phone. So if you need it, just select Unpair. Now let's disconnect it, so I click on it, and as you can see, I just stopped Bluetooth connection because there is no connection more. But I leave it at the device list, and I can easily reconnect these earbuds by just tap at this line. If these earbuds, of course, turn on and do not connect it with another device. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!